Hello, Mike from Lone Cedar Outdoors channel has asked me to do a demonstration on solar fire. So I'm going to just show you one way, maybe a couple different tinders that I make solar fire. I've made solar fire with a flashlight lens, bottom of a pop can, but I've also made it with a reading lens that I carry in my wallet at all times. So that's what I'm going to share with you today. This here is that reading lens. I carry this in my wallet at all times. Takes up no space and size of a credit card. Now I bought this at my local pharmacy and all it said on it was eye magnifier. So that's what I've got. I'm not sure the power of this. I have read 5 power and above are great for solar fire, but I've also seen other lower power work as well. So if you get a chance to buy a magnifier and you want to use it for solar, my preference is 5 power and above, but use what you got at the time. So what I've done is I've collected some cedar that I can use for a coal catcher, and also I can use that for a tinder bundle, as well as I got some dry grass and some aspen inner bark. In this canvas bag right here, I collected a bunch of cedar bark, scraped it off the outside of the tree, and that's what I got. Makes a nice tinder bundle, plus I can use this to start my coal. So what I've taken is a bunch of this fine shredded pieces here. It's a little damp, but it'll dry out, and now what I'm going to do is start rolling this in my palms to make a ball. This is my preferred natural coal maker. This takes and holds a coal very well. So this is what I prefer out here for natural material, but char cloth and stuff like that works as well. So I've got a nice size ball right there, and I can use that to catch and build my ember. So that's what I'm going to do, and then what I'll do is put it inside some grass first and blow that into flame. So what we've got is that ball right inside of this nest of grass. Now this ball of cedar is a darker color, and darker colors work better in solar fire because darker colors attract heat. So I'm going to go out here and use my Fresnel lens, start a coal. I'm going to focus my hottest point on that cedar and just slowly move it around to grow that ember, and then close this up and blow on it. So let's try this. Now this cedar is a little damp, so it might fight me a little bit, but we'll see what we can get. We've got smoke already. I'll show you that. Way that grows. And there we go. The ground is damp right here, so I can throw it down and just stamp on it. Let's try some aspen inner bark. That section of the cedar must be damp. It actually just burned out. So I'm going to try another area. But this here is inner shredded aspen bark. And I'm going to go out there and see if I can blow this into flame. Usually you'll see that a lot of smoke, getting more and more smoke, and you know that the more smoke you get, keep blowing, blow a little harder, and usually you can get that flame. Lastly, I have a cedar ball with a cedar nest. I'm going to just take that out there, put a coal in this, and blow this one into flame as well. Got flame. Woo. So that's many types of solar fire right there. And like I said, my go-to out here is using cedar bark to catch that coal. So this reading lens stays in my wallet at all times. That gives me another fire option if need be. But I thought I would share that with you just because I think it's a good option to carry if you practice solar fire. Solar fire has been used for many, many years, and it has proven to be a fast and effective way to light fire if you have the sun. Hope you enjoyed this. And I had a lot of fun. And remember, whenever you play with fire, you can get burnt. And on that last one, I burnt my finger a little bit. But nothing serious. So, have fun out there, stay safe, and all the best.